Welcome to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into what we believe is the best body wash for moisturizing your skin. Method body wash in the Simply Nourish scent. This isn't just another body wash. This is a creamy, plant-based cleanser that combines indulgent ingredients with a clean conscience. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Right off the bat, the name Simply Nourish says a lot. This product comes in a generous 28-ounce bottle and delivers exactly what it promises: simple, nourishing care for your skin. From the moment you pump it out, you're met with a luxurious, velvety gel that transforms your shower into a spa-like experience. The scent is warm and calming, thanks to the blend of coconut, rice milk, and shea butter. It's the kind of aroma that lingers in just the right way, subtle yet soothing. Now, let's talk about what's not in this body wash, which is just as important as what's in it. Method has taken a clean beauty approach here. That means no parabens, no phthalate, and no harsh chemicals that strip your skin of its natural moisture. Instead, the formula relies on biodegradable, plant-based cleansers, which is better for both your skin and the environment. The inclusion of coconut in the formula gives it that deep moisturization effect. Coconut oil is known for its ability to penetrate and hydrate dry skin. Rice milk, another key ingredient, is gentle and helps maintain softness. That's the powerhouse, packed with fatty acids and vitamins that nourish the skin barrier and help with long-lasting hydration. The result is skin that feels clean but never tight or dry. It's perfect for daily use and gentle enough for most skin types. Another standout feature is the bottle itself. Method uses 80% post-consumer recycled plastic, excluding the pump. This commitment to sustainability adds even more value to the product. You're not just taking care of your skin, you're making a mindful purchase that supports better environmental practices. As you lather it on, you'll notice it builds into a rich foam that rinses off easily. There's no heavy residue left behind, just clean, hydrated skin and that delicate, creamy scent. Whether you're starting your day or winding down at night, it delivers a moment of calm and care that feels earned, not rushed. While this product isn't currently available for international shipping in some locations, if you're in the US, it's easy to find online. To wrap up, Method Body Wash in Simply Nourish is more than just soap. It's a sensory experience. It's clean beauty. It's sustainability in action. And most importantly, it's a daily ritual that takes care of your skin the right way. If you're searching for a moisturizing body wash that smells amazing, feels luxurious, and aligns with a conscious lifestyle, this is the one. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into personal care products. See you in the next video.